A warm welcome to my dear 4th standard students. I am your Master Sandhya from Bharathidasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 4th standard Maths 5th lesson. So, you all know what is our 5th lesson name. Our 5th lesson name is multiples and factors. So, what does mean by multiples and factors? When two or more numbers are multiplied together, then that two number is called the factors and the answer is called the multiples. For example, 4 5s are. Here 4 5s are, the answer is 20. 4 and 5 are called the factor. 4 and 5 are called the factors and 20 is called the multiples or product. 20 is called the multiples or product. And now we are going to see even and odd numbers related problems. Listen here. Even and odd numbers. First we are going to see the even numbers. Even number means a number is an even number if it is 2 is a factor of a number and then it is a multiples of 2. For example, if you are going to take a 36, you are going to take a 36, whether 36 is even number or odd number, you are going to check. Take a 36 divided by 2. In remainder you will get 0 means that is yes, in non-zero number means that is no. Remainder 0 means that is even number. Take a first digit number. Now 2 table. Here the dividend is 36 and then divisor is 2. Write the table. 2 zeros are 0 and next one 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then 2 threes are 6. Now we are going to check 2 table now 3 are not. No, 2 table 3 is not possible. We have 2 and then 4. Here we are going to take a smaller number. We have the smaller number is 2. Totally how many times? 1 time. Right? 1 2s are 2. Now 3 minus 2 the answer is 1. Then we will bring down 6. Again you are going to check whether 2 table have 16 or not. Yes, 2 table 16 is possible. 2 8s are 16. How many times? 2 8s are 16. So already 2 is there, 16 is there. Here the quotient value is 8. Right here 8 2s are 16. Now 16 minus 16 the answer is 0. Yes, we got 0 here. 36 is even number. So just keep in your mind the number ends with means that is ones place. The ones place values are like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called the even numbers. Even numbers. So here 36, the number ends with 6. The number ends with 6. So 36 is the even number. Next you will see 38. 38 also even number. Like the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called the even number. Next we are going to see the odd numbers. Odd numbers. The number which is not even is called an odd number if it is not a multiples of 2. For example, I am going to take a 39. For example, I am going to take a 39 divided by 2. So in divisor we have 1 digit number. So dividend also you should take first 1 digit number. Take a 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. Then we will bring down 9. So you all know 2 table the number ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. So 9 it is not possible. So 2 table we have 9 2s are 18. Yes, a remainder we got 1. Yes, so already I told you in remainder we will get 0 means that is yes. So it is here we get 1. It is not a even number. So 39 is a odd number. So listen children, you should keep in your mind the number ends with. So ends with means that is ones place values 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called the odd number. So, before we have seen the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called the even number. Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called the odd numbers. So, our first question we have encircle the even numbers. So, you all know what is even numbers. Even numbers means that is the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called the even numbers. So, what is that? The number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, listen here children, we have some numbers 23, 58, 91, 116, 309, 874, 2517, 6157. Now, we are going to check the ones place value. We have the numbers like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 means that numbers are called the even numbers. Here 23, so it is not a even number. Next we have 58, the number ends with 8. Next we have 116, put circle, and then we have 874. That's all. We have the answer, even numbers. So, what even numbers we have? First 58 and next 116 and third one 874 and fourth one we don't have. So, we stop this. Next we have encircle the odd numbers. So, odd numbers mean in ones place we have the values. We need the values 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called the odd numbers. Now, we are going to check 53. 53 is the odd number, 69, 115, and what is the next odd number here we have? Yes, we have 1, then 83,019. Now, we are going to write the odd numbers value. Answer, odd numbers 53. So, what is the next answer? The next one is 69 and third one is 115. So, write here 115 and fourth one is 3471 and fifth one is 83,019. So, write that 83,019. So, listen children, this is even and odd numbers related problems. Listen children, in this session you have learned odd and even numbers related problem. I hope everyone enjoyed this session. In this below description we have a study material, question bank and self assessment work. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.